Guys, today's question is check if n and its double exist. In this question, we are given with an array and we have to check if there exists two indexes which are not equal, such that the second index is the twice of the first index. But it is not mentioned that I should be less than j or I should be greater than j. So I and j can either be left or at the right of the each other, okay, but I should not equals to j. So in example we can see 10 2 5 3, as this 10 is twice of the 5, okay, so we have to indexes such that error of I is double equals to 2 into error of j. So in this case we return true. In this case we don't have such any element that is the twice of the any other element in the array, so in this case we return false. Now let's see this example. In this example also, whether the 10 is at the right side, but still we have to return true, okay, because there exist two elements such that this condition holds. Now what we can see is, let's say if we check if the twice of the element presents in the left part or not, okay, and iterate over this array, then we will return true at this point, okay, because the twice of the 5 is present. But if we do the same in this array that I have taken here, we won't get true, we will get false, okay, because twice of the 5 will be 10 but is not present in the left part, okay. What I'm saying is we will iterate over this array and we will push the elements in the set, and we will check if the left side, if there is a twice of element of the current element exists or not, okay. So as you can see in this array, that that iteration will be failed, okay, that approach will be failed. So what we need to do, as we have to check both if the twice of the element present in the left part and if the half of the element is present in the left part. Like if we check if the half of the 10 is present in the left part, we will get true, and so we will get the correct answer, okay. So to do this question in one pass, we have to check both the condition, if the twice present or if the half of the element is present or not. Otherwise we can simply take an ordered map and we can store the frequencies of element, and also using an ordered map you can simply do this question. Also this question can be done by binary search, like the two sum questions, very famous question, okay. Now let's do with the R approach, which is an ordered set. Let's name it as st, okay. Now we will iterate over this array. So for auto and x in arr, as I said, we will check both the conditions, if the twice of the element is present or the half of the element is present. So st of count, if st dot count x into 2, if x is to 2 is present in the array, in that case we have to return true, okay. Now we will check half only if the number is even, because half of the 11 or half of 13 can't exist, okay. Half of only even numbers can exist in the left part, because those will be the natural numbers. So sorry, those will be the correct integers. So if the element is even, okay, only in that case we can check. Otherwise if we check at every condition, as you can see 3 by 2 is 1, okay, 3 by 2 is not 1.5 here, so we can get the incorrect answer. So first we will check if the element is even. In only that case we will check if the half of the element is present or not. By 2, in that case we will simply return true. And if we don't found any of this, we have to push the element at every point. So st dot insert x. Otherwise after the, if we don't find true at any point, after the whole loop's execution we will simply return false. Okay, let's submit. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.